Let's start with the Draft Open Reports tab. These two folders open automatically when you log in. The top half of the screen is the Draft Inspection Reports folder, which displays newly created reports that have not yet been submitted. Reports stay in this folder until you submit them to an authority having jurisdiction or property owner. When submitted, a report with deficiencies will automatically move to the Open Deficiency folder at the bottom half of this screen. A cleared report automatically moves into your archive file. By default, reports are sorted by the date the report was entered, with the newest report at the top. To change the sort order of the reports, simply click on any of the column headings. For example, click on Business Occupant and the reports display alphabetically from A to Z. Click again on the same heading and the reports display from Z to A. You can use this sorting feature throughout the site. Reports submitted with deficiencies are clearly marked by a red flag. You can choose to hold a report in draft status until the deficiency is repaired and then submit, or you can submit with deficiencies, then update the report after the deficiency is cleared. The Action column under the Draft Inspection Reports folder contains 4 features. Click the PDF icon to view a report. Click the envelope icon to email a report as an attachment. Click the Notepad icon to edit, add notes, save as a draft, or submit a report. And click the X icon to delete a report from the draft folder. While viewing a report, you may also email AHJs and property owners simply by clicking on any highlighted email address. Please note, you may need to change your Internet browser settings to allow pop-ups for the Inspection Reports online website. To submit a report from the draft folder, click the Notepad icon. Continue to the end of the report and then click Submit. If you enter the AHJ ID, the report is submitted to the AHJ. If you enter the PO ID, the report is submitted to the PO. Please note, AHJs and POs must be registered with iRoll to have their ID display on any iRoll screen. For more details on creating a report and specifics of the report, refer to the Create a Report tutorial located on your dashboard. The Open Deficiency folder is here for your convenience and allows you to organize and separate reports that were submitted with deficiencies. Reports stay in this folder until you archive the report or change the report status from deficient to clear. You do have the option of archiving a report with a deficiency. The Action column under the Open Deficiency folder has the same features as the Draft folder with a couple exceptions. First, click the File Cabinet icon to move the submitted report to the archive file. Second, if you are noting a repair to the report or are adding notes, click on the Note icon and update. Once again, if you are clearing the previously submitted report, the report is sent to your file. Here is an example. Edit the notes of the report in the Open Deficiency folder. Enter a note and click All Deficiencies Cleared. To save the note and clear the deficiencies, click Save. The report has been moved to your archive file and the flag went from red to green. This option allows all parties to see that there was a problem and the problem was later repaired. Now we'll take a quick look at the remaining tabs on the SP dashboard. Click the Archived Reports tab to open your archive file. To view all of your archived reports, change the From date to the date you registered with iRoll and click Search. The reports display chronologically. To narrow your initial search, simply fill in one or more of the search fields. Remember, you can resort your reports by clicking on any column header. Here is another useful feature. Notice that the AHJs and the PO's IDs are highlighted. Simply click on the ID to view the complete entity profile, including contact information and a direct link to their email. Only iRoll AHJs and POs will have ID numbers. You can print, email, or create new reports from the archive file. First, click the checkbox next to one of the reports. Next, click an action button to quickly perform the desired task. Use the Create a Report function from the archive file to save time on future inspections. Your service technician can simply open an archived report, change the date, note any other data changes, and then submit the report. Reports can be completed in the field using any internet-accessible device. The Search AHJs tab allows you to view all registered iRoll AHJs. Their profile includes their iRoll ID number, contact information, and a direct link to their email. Click Submitted Reports under the Action column to view reports you have submitted to their jurisdiction. To create a new report, simply choose a report by clicking the box on the far left column, then click Create New. Follow the same steps as creating a new report from the archive file. The Create Inspection Reports tab will be explained in detail under the Create a Report tutorial located at the bottom of your dashboard. Under the Admin tab, there are 3 sub-tabs. The first is User Administration. Click here to create or edit a user and to search for site users.